Imagine a land where the spirit of freedom ignites a revolution against centuries of oppression. This is the story of the Greek War of Independence, a pivotal moment that not only reshaped Greece but also marked the decline of the mighty Ottoman Empire. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm diving into the Greek War of Independence, which lasted from 1821 to 1832. This conflict was not just a struggle for Greek autonomy, it was a significant turning point in the history of Europe and the Ottoman Empire. So grab your coffee and let's explore how a small nation fought for its freedom and the implications it had on the world stage. For centuries, Greece was under Ottoman rule, facing heavy taxation, cultural suppression, and a lack of political rights. The Greek people yearned for freedom, inspired by the Enlightenment ideals of liberty and self-determination. However, the challenge was immense. The Ottoman Empire was still a formidable power, and the Greeks were divided among themselves, with various factions and interests complicating their quest for independence. The turning point came in 1821 when the revolution was officially declared. The Greeks launched a series of uprisings, and the initial successes, such as the capture of Kalamata, fueled their hopes. However, the Ottomans retaliated fiercely, leading to brutal conflicts like the massacre of Chios in 1822, which shocked Europe and garnered sympathy for the Greek cause. The involvement of foreign powers, including Britain, France, and Russia, played a crucial role in tipping the scales. The decisive Battle of Navarino in 1827 marked a significant victory for the Greeks and their allies, leading to the eventual recognition of Greek independence in 1832. Ultimately, the Greek War of Independence was more than just a struggle for autonomy. It signaled the decline of the Ottoman Empire and reshaped the political landscape of Europe. This revolution inspired other nations seeking independence and demonstrated the power of unity in the face of adversity. The legacy of this conflict continues to resonate today, reminding us of the enduring human spirit and the quest for freedom. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more historical content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of the Greek War of Independence do you find most fascinating? And how do you think it influenced other independence movements around the world? What do you think were the most significant factors that contributed to the success of the Greek War of Independence? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring history with us. One of the key battles in the Greek War of Independence was the Battle of Dervenakia in 1822. Greek forces, led by Theodoros Kolokotronis, achieved a significant victory against the Ottomans, boosting the morale of the Greek fighters. Important figures like Theodoros Kolokotronis, Georgios Karaiskakis, and Laskarina Bouboulina played crucial roles in leading the Greek forces and strategizing key battles. The siege of Tripolitsa in 1821 was another pivotal event. The capture of this strategic city by the Greeks marked a turning point in the war, demonstrating their capability to challenge Ottoman control. The naval battle of Sphacteria in 1825 was also significant. Greek naval forces, despite being outnumbered, managed to secure a victory, showcasing their resilience and tactical prowess. The Greek cause also attracted international support. Notable figures like Lord Byron joined the fight, bringing attention and resources from Europe to aid the Greek struggle for independence. The geopolitical landscape of Europe was also shifting. The Congress of Vienna in 1815 had redrawn the map of Europe, and the Greek War of Independence was influenced by these broader political changes. The final battle of the war, the Battle of Petra in 1829, saw the Greek forces securing a decisive victory, leading to the signing of the Treaty of Adrianople and the eventual recognition of Greek independence. The Treaty of Adrianople in 1829 was a significant milestone. It not only recognized Greek independence but also marked the beginning of the end for Ottoman dominance in the region. After the war, Ioannis Kapodistrias became the first governor of Greece. His leadership was crucial in stabilizing the newly independent nation and laying the foundations for modern Greece. The London Protocol of 1830 further solidified Greek independence, with Britain, France, and Russia guaranteeing the autonomy of the new Greek state. The raising of the Greek flag in 1832 symbolized the triumph of the Greek people and the birth of a new nation free from Ottoman rule. Today, Greece celebrates its independence with pride, honoring the sacrifices and struggles of those who fought for freedom. The Greek War of Independence remains a testament to the resilience and determination of a people united in their quest for liberty. If you enjoyed this extended look into the Greek War of Independence, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth historical content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of the Greek War of Independence do you find most compelling? And how do you think it influenced other independence movements around the world? What do you think were the most significant factors that contributed to the success of the Greek War of Independence? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring history with us.